All right, welcome back. Fulani herdsmen launch another deadly attack. 7 confirmed dead. All right, the news in details. The police spokesperson who confirmed the killing says efforts were on to arrest the perpetrators. Suspected herdsmen have killed 7 farmers in some communities in Edo State. The gruesome attack was said to have been carried out on Wednesday at Igboke, Oshodi, Okokodo, Ariyan and Yoruba camp situated in Ovia Northeast local government area of the state. The police spokesperson in the state, Chidi Nwabuzo, who confirmed the incident, said efforts were on to arrest the perpetrators. An indigene of the area, Janet Igodaro, said the killer herdsmen used the popular Yoruba camp located in Ovia Northeast local government as a base to launch an attack into various communities in the area. Mrs. Igodaro said, "I was lucky to escape the stray bullets. I have come to Benin City to take refuge with our family." The suspected gunmen shot sporadically, killing 7 persons. 4 of the victims, Mrs. Igodaro said, were returning from their farm when they were shot and killed on the spot. Others were killed in their farms, she added. She lamented that the gruesome attack on the camps and communities was reported to the police. She said security presence in the area was 0. Mrs. Igodaro stressed that the policemen who arrived in their area on Wednesday only stopped at Okokwa community. The police rather instructed affected communities to bring the dead bodies to them at Okokwo, she said. She called on security operatives to come to their rescue as a matter of urgency. Police spokesperson Mr. Nwabuzo said the dead bodies have been evacuated from the bush. The State Police Command is aware of the incident that happened within the jurisdiction of Ekiadolo Divisional Police Command. DPO and his operatives visited the crime site and evacuated the bodies, and moves are on the ensure that place is calm and the lives return to normalcy. Also, the police is carrying out its investigation to effect the arrest of the criminal herdsmen who perpetrated the dastardly acts. The command is bent on using every legal means to fish out the criminals, Mr. Nwabuzo explained. Killer herdsmen had been linked with the rising cases of kidnapping and other criminal activities in Edo State lately. On February 3rd, several women blocked major roads in Uromi, Esan Northeast local government to protest against the activities of killer herdsmen, which they said have brought untold hardship to their communities. They listed the criminal activities of the herdsmen to include armed robbery, raping, and destruction of farmlands and crops, among others. All right, and then that is it, my people, on this one, talking about Fulani herdsmen launching another attack. And then it has been confirmed that 7 people were shot dead. All right, my people, this is happening on a daily basis, and we have said a lot of things, but the truth of the matter is, how long are we going to continue like this? That is why a lot of people have said it, most especially talking about Sunday Igboho. He has said it that this time around there is nothing like we voting come 2023 presidential election, that everyone needs to go his or her separate ways, and that is the agitation on ground. Well, as we speak right now, Sunday Igboho himself is not in Nigeria, in case you don't know. All right, my people, a lot have been said so far onto this one, and a lot of people have actually reacted onto this. All right, and then according to what has been gathered, guests have said that people should find means by which they should be protecting themselves. No more government securities in place, as both police and the army personnel seems to be collaborating with the criminals. Okay, and the government should allow people to arm themselves for self-defense. The vigilante group in every community should secure their own area. The police will be telling the world that investigations are on. Bring the perpetrators of the gruesome killings to book. Nothing will be heard again until another set of killings are carried out by these Fulani herdsmen. The Fulani should be sent packing from the state. We cannot continue to complain to the government at the center, which is well known for its support for the Fulani herders. All right, and then that has been said. A lot of comments keep coming in, but my people, that notwithstanding, this is where I will stop from this end. Meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this one, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.